Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to enable profile view option in TikTok. So this is fairly easy, so you just follow me and you will not be lost. So in order to do that, what you need to do is to just head over to your TikTok app right here, and then click these three lines up here, click on settings and privacy in here, and click on privacy. Scroll all the way down until you can see these profile views. So let's click that and turn that on. So profile view history is you can see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and allow others to see that you viewed theirs. So this is basically a 2x2 and double-edged sword, so make sure to think first before you turn it on. However, if this profile view doesn't appear to you, then stick on to this tutorial because I will guide you how to get that profile view option. So if you don't have that, maybe this is not available to your region yet because this is a fairly new easy or fairly new option, then that just means that this is not available to other region yet or not available to other mobile devices yet. So what you need to do is just wait for it to be available to your region, and that's it. The next thing that you can do is to head over to the settings of your phone. Scroll down until you reach general. So let's click that. Scroll until you can see iPhone storage. And let's wait for it to load. And once we're in there, just scroll until you can see TikTok right here. And make sure to offload the app. So let's wait for it to upload. So basically this will delete the app but not the documents and data inside it. And then after that, just click on reinstall app and let's wait for it to reinstall itself. And as you can see right now, it has been reinstalled. But what you can do next is to open it. However, if you want to clean install it, what you can do is to head over to your app store and search for TikTok right here. So let's search for it. And then when you're in there, make sure that if there's an update available or you can see an update button right here, make sure to update that. But if you can see this open button right here, then that just means that your TikTok app is updated. And once you know that this is updated, you can open it. Then after that, what you need to do is to clear the cache on your TikTok app itself. Let's click on these three lines up here and click on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down until you can see this pre-up space. And make sure to clear all the cache and downloads that is available in here. So let's clear it for sure. And after that, just scroll and head back to your profile and you should see this icon right here, which is the footmark icon. And when you click that, you can see that your profile views will appear right here. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.